So challenge number 4 is now available. Let's click on it. This is the PDF. Continue reading. Ready to take the quiz. What is USS? It is another way to use the ZOS operating system. What is a shell? It is an interface used to have a conversation with the system. You can use the same login password as you do for the rest of the system. Give here true. Let's see what is the correct answer. All three are correct. So let's continue. Here is the PDF. It has 12 steps and it will take around 60 minutes. Step 1 is to find the terminal. So go to terminal and click on new terminal. Terminal and click on new terminal. The terminal is now open. So step 2 is asking us to connect to the mainframe using SSH. This is the command SSH user ID @IP address. So here is the terminal. Give here SSH. User ID is Z15260 204.90.115.200. Press enter. Password. Let's enter our password. And I am now connected to the mainframe. Step 3 is also asking us to just enter our password. So step 3 is also complete. In step 4 it is asking us to enter some of the commands such as ls. So let's give here ls command and press the enter key. There are no files yet. Let's enter another command USS and set up. And then press the enter key. Hi and welcome to the Z Xplore Unix System Services channel. Then you have to run ls again. Now you can see there are many files. Earlier it was empty, now there are many files. Step 4 is also saying that we can exit. To exit we have to give the exit command. And you can see I am log out. To log in again, give the SSH command again like this. Give the password again and then I will be logged in. To clear the screen you can give clear. To know where we are in the directory we can give PWD, present working directory. So I am in the home folder. This is the home folder, the root folder. We can go to another directory by giving CD. CD means change directory, then give the directory name, change directory name, directory 1. Then give present working directory. So you can see it is telling us I am inside the directory 1. Here I can give ls and you can see there is one file inside this directory. To go back to the home directory I can give cd and you can see it came back to the previous directory. That is the home directory. We can also go to a directory directly by giving the full path like this. You can see it directly jumped to this directory. To go back, give cd. And now I am in the root folder. Let's go to step 7. Step 7 is asking us to use the touch command to create a new file called my new file. Let's give here touch my new file. Let's give ls and you can see my new file is created. I can also create a directory using make directory command. So give here make directory my new directory. Give ls again and you will see my new directory is now created. In step 8 it is asking us to use Zowe or Zowe. What we have to do is we have to go to Unix System Services. Here is Unix System Services. Here is Z Xplore. We have to click here in the magnifying glass and give here /z/z15260. Press enter key. And you can see these are all my files. My new file, my new directory. These are the file and folder I just created. Let's go to step 9. Step 9 is asking us to execute a program called scramble.sh. So here you can see scramble.sh. This is the program. We can execute it by giving /scramble.sh. Press the enter key. This is the output of the program. It says that the program take input from a file and rotate the letters by a number of position. It only works for lowercase letter. The first arguments need to be a file. Our task is to figure out the correct number of rotations needed to decode the secret message in Z public secret.txt. So here is secret.txt. We have to decode this message. So the first argument should be the secret file. So the secret file is secret.txt. So let's give here scramble.sh secret.txt and move it by, let's say, 12 digits. It is processing the file. You can see the message is not decoded. Let's try some other number. 15. It is processing. The message is still not correct. Let's try 17. And this is the message. Congratulations, you have unscrambled the message in the USS challenge. So the answer is 17. That's it. Step 9 is complete. In step 10, it is asking us to put the output in a ussout.txt file. So let's create a file called ussout.txt. Let's clear the screen. Then let's give the command. And then give here ussout.txt. Here is the file ussout.txt, and you can see all the output is now inside this txt file. Step 11 is asking us to run this command du-ak. So give here du-ak. So what we have to do is we have to add this into the ussout.txt. To do this, we have to give double arrows instead of one. Let's give catalog ussout.txt to see the content of ussout, and you can see this is the content. The previous message, congratulations, and then du message. Then in the step 12, we have to append the date command into the same dataset. So let's give here date, double arrow, ussout.txt. Let's give here catalog, and you can see this is the output. Now finally we have to run check USS from public JCL. Here is check USS, right click and submit job. Job submitted 7085. Go to jobs, 7085, condition code 0. So let's go to our website. Challenge complete, check my JCL submission. You have successfully completed the Fundamentals Unix System Services Challenge. Challenge complete. Let's close all these. Challenge is unlocked, show them now. Challenge file is now available. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.